all audiobooks is acting, but there is also kind of you kind of control yourself, or you pull back when you do the regular audiobooks, whereas I think what they're asking for is like the full send, just go there.
Mm-hmm.
And actually, one of the things I really enjoy about Rebecca's performance is she always goes there. She always goes full send, and that's just I'm a big fan of like natural dialogue and natural sounding interactions between people. And I know that there's also the unfortunate proliferation of AI narrated audiobooks. And I know that Anthony Pica wanted this whole, he loves dramatized stuff. He loves like immersion in cinematic audio just as much as I do. It's one of the reasons why we get along, actually. And this is kind of like a direct challenge to the AI. Like, can you do this? Come on, hit me with your best shot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'd like to see AI have a panic attack in their studio.
It's like, we can't do this. I wonder why. Oh my God, our jobs are over. Yeah, that's what how I imagine an AI meeting is like.
AI staff meeting is just like, we're over.
Whoa. Oh, that's a pitch meeting. Okay.
Yeah.
Super easy.
Barely an inconvenience.
Okay. Okay, so and thank you for bringing that up, because that's exactly what we're talking about today, is the growing popularity of the demand of full cast reads, immersive audiobooks, all the things. So going back to the votes or the poll, we have 28 votes so far. It looks like Rebecca, you nailed it. 43% said getting cast in these projects.
Nice.
The next one would be 25% said learning the full cast workflow, which I think is a valid thing, because that's hardly ever talked about. And then sound design and timing, and then lastly acting with other narrators. So immersive audiobooks, full cast reads. I mean, all of these elements are important. But I would say, I mean, just right off the bat, getting cast in these projects, Academy Voices. I mean, in sometime in the near future. I mean, we're already doing it with these serials, but we will be doing more and more of these originals, classics, and also